Okay, when you're updating your landing page templates, you might be working with a blank template like this one, or you might be working with a landing page that you've inherited from a previous course, in which case you'll be adapting or replacing content rather than adding it from scratch. But in either case, the process is broadly speaking the same. You click on Edit, and it puts the content into the content editor, and you can straight away start to do simple things like change or add the text. So I'm going to replace the template text here. Always replace the template text if you see some. And I'm going to say, welcome to my test course. And under here it's inviting me to add some module text. I'll just say something simple like my module outline, something like that. Okay, now you'll obviously have much more content to add than this. Another thing you might want to do is change the image. Now, when I'm changing images within a template like this one, the proportions are important, so I'm going to go to the image options. Notice that image options button pops up. I can see that the proportions here are 365 by 270. That's quite helpful. So having checked that, I can then delete this image. I can go to my user images folder, and I can insert an image from here. So I'll choose this one, and I will check the dimensions again. So let's just check the image options. There we go. Now at the moment they're set to be 256. Let's check those to maybe bump it up a little bit, so 300. Done. Update the syllabus. There we go. It's distorted the button set slightly. The module handbook page has been pushed down a little bit. If I wanted to remedy that, I would probably come up to here, check image options, and maybe bring it down a bit. So I could change that to say 270, something like that. I can click that and update syllabus, and that looks a lot better. Another thing you might want to do is click Edit, come down to these buttons at the bottom here, and activate these links. At the moment they are blank because they are waiting for web links to other courses. The template doesn't know which program this module belongs to, for example. In which case I'll be able to select that text, I'll be able to click the hyperlink button, and I'll be able to copy and paste the relevant program homepage URL into that box. I can then just click Done, and that link has been created. So adding or changing text, replacing images within the template, and creating links, those are the three things that you'll be doing most regularly when you're updating your landing pages.